Welcome to our financial tutorial on tail value at risk, often abbreviated as TVaR. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore what TVaR is, why it is important, and how to calculate it. We'll also work through some examples, address common questions, and review relevant data to better understand its application. So, let's dive in. First, let's define tail value at risk. Tail value at risk is a risk measure that quantifies the expected loss in the tail of a distribution beyond a certain quantile, typically in the context of financial portfolios. Unlike value at risk (VaR), which only measures the maximum loss at a specific confidence level, TVaR provides an estimate of the average loss in the worst-case scenarios. To better understand TVaR, let's go through an example. Imagine you have a financial portfolio, and you're assessing the risk over a one-year period. You calculate the value at risk (VaR) at the 95% confidence level, which tells you that there's a 5% chance that the portfolio could lose more than $1 million in that year. But what happens if you want to prepare for the worst-case scenarios beyond that 5% threshold? This is where TVaR steps in. TVaR takes into account not just the probability of extreme losses, but also the average loss in those extreme cases. So, if your worst-case losses range between $1 million and $3 million, TVaR would help you understand the average loss you could expect beyond that $1 million VaR threshold. Now, let's go through the detailed steps to calculate TVaR. We'll use the same portfolio example with a known distribution of losses. Say we have the following loss data in millions: 0.5, 0.7, 1.0, 1.2, 1.5, 1.8, 2.0, 2.1, 2.3, 2.5, 3.0. Step 1. Determine the VaR at the 95% confidence level. In our example, this corresponds to the loss amount such that 95% of the losses are below it. Sorting the dataset and picking the appropriate percentile, we have our 95 equals 1.5 million. Step 2. Identify the losses exceeding the VaR. In our dataset, losses beyond 1.5 million are 1.8, 2.0, 2.1, 2.3, 2.5, 3.0. Step 3. Calculate the average of these excess losses. Adding these values and dividing by their count gives us TVaR. So, 1.8 plus 2.0 plus 2.1 plus 2.3 plus 2.5 plus 3.0/6 is equal to 2.28 million. In this example, the TVaR at 95% confidence level is 2.28 million. This means, on average, if the losses exceed the 1.5 million VaR threshold, the expected loss would be 2.28 million. Next, let's look at a visual representation of this concept. Here is a bar graph depicting the sorted losses and indicating the VaR and TVaR points. To deepen our understanding, let's answer some frequently asked questions about TVaR. Question 1. How does TVaR differ from VaR? Answer. While VaR gives you the threshold loss value at a specific confidence level, e.g., 95%, TVaR goes a step further by examining the average losses that exceed this threshold. Essentially, TVaR captures the tail end of the distribution and provides insights into the severity of potential extreme losses. Question 2. Why is TVaR considered a better risk measure in certain scenarios? Answer. TVaR is particularly useful in scenarios where understanding the impact of extreme losses is crucial. For institutions like insurance companies or investment firms, assessing the average loss beyond the VaR threshold provides a more comprehensive view of risk and helps in making more informed capital and risk management decisions. Question 3. Can TVaR be used for non-financial risks? Answer. Yes. TVaR can be applied to various types of risks beyond financial portfolios. It can be used in fields like insurance to assess natural disaster risks, in engineering for evaluating structural failure probabilities, and in any other domain where understanding the tail risk of outcomes is necessary. Let's reinforce these concepts with some real-world data. The following line graph shows a sample dataset of yearly financial losses for a company and highlights the VaR and TVaR for each year. We can see from the dataset that the losses vary each year, but by calculating both VaR and TVaR, we gain a clearer picture of both the maximum expected loss at a given confidence level and the average expected loss in the worst-case scenario. In summary, tail value at risk, TVaR, is an invaluable measure for understanding and mitigating extreme risks. By providing insights into the average losses beyond the VaR threshold, TVaR helps financial institutions, insurance companies, and other entities make better risk management decisions. Thank you for watching this detailed tutorial on tail value at risk. We hope you found it insightful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tutorials. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.